All right, everyone. Hi, and welcome to the video. This is a talk on my GitHub collab. So basically, we have our Slack channel, and so far, like 11 people have joined it. So here you can see 11 people from different different countries. Some are from India, some are from US, and like that. So here you can work on like six domains. So whatever you like, add a repository, create a repository, ask people to collab, work on it, push it on the GitHub. So these domains are as follows. So the first is machine learning team. Whoever is interested in machine learning projects, want to do something in AI, deep learning, can create repositories, or whatever you are currently working, create repositories, ask people to work on that. So if I can look at it, we can improve your code or something like that. Then second team is team cloud IoT, basically AWS, Azure, everything related to Python and IoT would be there in this group. We have a team called as data science. Anything you want to do with data science, Panda, Seaborns, NumPy, you do with this. You can join this team. We have a team called as security. So the security team will be working on security pen testing tools, like getting all the IP address, MAC address. Develop some Python scripts basically using sockets, right? Then we have a team called as web apps, basically dealing with Flask, Django, REST APIs, backend database. We have a team called as web scraper. Basically, we'll be doing web scraping projects, scripts from develop scripts to scrape data from various websites, do everything. So here are the six teams you can join. Right now there are no members. I'm the only member, and I'll be adding people in respective team. Enjoy, guys. Keep coding, keep learning, collaborate with people, learn GitHub, and it's gonna be so fun, like sharing your knowledge with everyone. So I'm very excited, and please let me know which team are you interested in, and accordingly I can add you in the team. So first of all, you need to know GitHub. By the way, if you do not know GitHub, please first of all learn. Share me your GitHub ID. Join the Slack channel, and then we'll add you in one of the team, and then you can talk or discuss with the people in the Slack. Hey, I want to work on this team. So these are the people right now, 11 people. You can work, you can chat. So feel free. Yep, that's it. So if you have any more suggestions or anything you want to tell me, please let me know by doing that in the comment section. And thank you for your support, love, and see you guys next time in the next video.